Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. This is Keeping Up with MJ, and today I'm doing a little hair mini vlog type of thing. And I'm going to be doing a voiceover because my background was super loud during this video and I just knew I had to do a voiceover. So I washed my hair and then I blew it out. I'm going to show you the products that I use right now. Hold on. I actually bought the comb for the blow dryer from the beauty supply store because I didn't want to use my Rev Air or the brush blow dryer that I have. So I did it in each section and then I just like put it in a clip like this. Here I am finished with everything, so I'm just blow drying my hair. And y'all, look at my hair. It looks crazy though. Look at the ends. It definitely needs to get a trim, but I had to give y'all a little slow-mo of the fro. And this is the hairstyle that I decided to do. This is $20 for the beauty supply, y'all. Okay, so quick story time, real quick. This is my hair last October 2023. Y'all, I had to get a cut because my hair was bad. The end was crazy. And I got a cut like shoulder length and it was cute. It was giving. And this is my hair now. It's so damaged. I need another cut. Look at it. Bad. But I digress. It's just hair. Let's get back to the mini hair vlog. So after that, my mom-in-law, she flat ironed my hair and I was just positioning where I want the pony to sit. And this is all that we're doing right now. I didn't want it to be too tight on my edges, so she did this technique where she took the front out and then put the pony up first, and then she just brushed that front part back in, which was really helpful. Yeah, so she's gonna slick that back in and it looks like this. We didn't get that part on camera, I don't know why, but after she just told me to hold this up and blow dry it, and I was just letting it dry. And look at the hang time though. It's damaged, but we got some hang time going on. This part is always my favorite because we're close to the end and I like getting my hair done, but I don't like getting my hair done at the same time. But I love this part because the pony comes next. I don't know what it is, but that got to be spray is so cold. Like my scalp was crying. Like, oh my gosh, it felt like ice cubes on my head. But she was just giving me a little curves because I felt like I was looking like a bald girl with my hair straight back. So she was like curving it up for me. Alright, so this was the final touch. You know, you got to get that little paper thingy. I don't know what it's called, but you wrap that around your edges to kind of slick it down. So when you take it out, it's fresh and clean. So my camera definitely died when I was finishing up my ponytail yesterday, but this is how it came out. I think it looks really cute. Just to show you my look, I'm wearing my barrel jeans. Can't really see it when I step back with my barrel jeans. Got a pony, and I'm doing like a tomboy chic look today. She's giving. She's giving.